Laura from Just For You Online UK. Just wanted to use this video to answer a really common question that we get asked a lot. Because we do offer quite a few glitter sizes and shades within our range, there's over 60 colours to choose from. I wanted just to give you a bit more information really, because what we get asked is what is the best products if you've never tried our range to start out with. What should I use first if I'm wanting it for resin art or a different kind of artwork? So we'll just give you a little bit of information about each one. These are our fine glitters, hope you can see that. So if I just show you very quickly, that's our 0.2 flake size. Oops, find the camera. So that's our ultra fine, our finest size of glitter. And then the next size up is our chunky, which is 1mm. So that's obviously got a bit more of a visible finish, a large flake. And then our extra chunky glitter is the 2mm, so it's double the size of the 1mm chunky glitter. So that's our fine, chunky and extra chunky. Now obviously if you're just starting out, we probably recommend our fine glitter range because it's quite the one that's quite popular to start out with. And then obviously if you're after more of a visible finish, the chunky glitter is a good one for that. And the most dramatic effect is our extra chunky. So there's those different sizes to start with, but probably a good place to start would be with our fine glitters, and then move on if you want the more dramatic look. Just to give you an idea of the types of quantities that we offer it in 10 grams, which is that size, our 50 gram quantity, and then we've got our 100 gram quantity. So that gives you a bit of an idea. You can see that gives you a bit of an idea of the kinds of amounts that you'll receive for each one. So the 10 grams are really good if you just need a top up, or maybe just for one piece of art. If you're after a bit more, you've obviously got our 50, which is a nice one to go in between. And then the 100 gram is great if you want to do a couple of pieces of artwork, or you need obviously a lot more. So we've got the different quantities there to suit any application that you might be looking for. That's the different sizes. And then if you're looking for something a bit more unique, you want to try something a bit different, we've got our Rebel Glitters range, which offers our glitter flakes, which is the unusual flakes. I'll try and hold it up a little bit closer. They're quite an unusual shape, so they give quite a dramatic effect. They're chameleon and colour changing as well. So that's quite unique if you're looking for something a little bit different. And we offer lots of colours in those in the Rebel Glitters. We offer our opal flakes, which I'll try and show a little bit close up. They're really soft, and again chameleon and colour changing. So they give a really nice finish. And they're something a bit different and unique if you want to have a look at that range. And obviously we offer our pigments. And our chameleon pigments, which again are in their own collection and a great place to start. So just wanted to show you with this video, just give you some basics really on what we can offer for you. And if there's anything that you'd like to go over in more detail, or there's a product you'd like to find out a bit more about, then just let me know in the comments and I'll try and answer it for you. Thanks for watching.